We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis since the price was within here, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. Whoever get a trade for buy, if they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even, because what we get here is quite corrective. And even if the price continue from here with the breakout of the previous top, if you refer to the indicators, we will have a divergence. All right, that's why we need to be really careful, because if the continuation turns to a sharp move, is good for us. And we need to see the breakout of this soon. At least the price broke the 90 cent, because if the price continues a corrective move, what we have here, we can put this one as a correction relative to this for the next drop. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they need to be really careful. And we don't see any trade setup for buy. If anyone wants to look for buy from here, the only option is to put their entry above here. It's really risky and is not really good trade setup, because in that case, what we want the price sharply tag, break, and continue the price tag. We see is not moving. We shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. The reason is I mentioned is really risky. Simply tag the price. Price can tag and drop. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they have to wait for the DP correction. And right now, we don't see any trade setup for buy. The only thing is if the price continues a corrective move, we should be aware of this for the one more drop in relative to what we have here, all right? Because the way is reversing is very corrective. And if I move to daily chart, similar explanation as what we had based on 1 hour chart. We are, if this one turned to a correction, mostly we can see next drop. We are not really interested to look for sell. We're looking for buy, because if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And we're looking to see the breakout of the 36, and the targets we're looking for is 41, following by 48 cent as a long term, all right? And if we move to forward chart, and as I mentioned, if you want to look at this one as a opportunity trade for buy, let this one turn to deeper, then from there we take the trade, all right? Because from what we have right now, one move up as a corrective flat, next drop, we need to be really careful about this, all right? Anyway, we don't see really good trade setup for buy or either sell. And if anyone wants to look for sell, we prefer to see the continuation. We see the breakout of this correction. Then any drop as a short, sharp following by flag, we can look for sell. And with the breakout of this low, we move our stop loss to break even. Then the targets we can look for is 14, following by 11 cent. At this point, we are not really interested to look for sell. We are more interested to look for buy. Even if the price drop, I don't think so I will take the sell. Even if we get the sell, we consider as a really short term. As long as we get into the profit, we have to start to manage, move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.